We must breathe through the nose only. And I can give you tons and tons of information onto why this is so. But mouth breathing leads to just tons and tons of nasty diseases that we do not want. So as much as you can, now I've taught you, like, make sure your belly is soft and you're doing diaphragmatic breathing. Now, the next thing I really want you guys to be making sure of is that your mouth is closed when you are breathing. Yeah, it's really important, and it's especially important when we start moving into more cardiovascular strength, right? More just increasing our capacity to breathe under more stressed situations. We need to make sure that we're breathing only through our nose. We will become we'll become athletes. And actually, athletes are trained to breathe only through their nose. I know some coaches make athletes actually hold water in their mouths, and then they have to spit the water out at the end of whatever it is they've been doing. Like they're that intense about it. But even today, I was in a Krav class and it was intense, and we all had to line up, and I'm watching all these people huffing and puffing and panting, and just like the whole, like for almost 5 minutes, people were still recovering. And I went back to baseline within maybe 4 breaths. But it's because I trained myself to breathe only through the nose, and I know how to breathe in such a way that I can just take long, deep inhale, long, deep exhale, even when my heart is pounding from all the running and all the exertion. And then I was back to normal literally within 4 to 5 breaths, like minutes before people around me. Right? So it really, again, this work might seem like a regression, like we're not doing much, but if we get it right, we become much fitter and much healthier human beings later.